It's time to check in with Approved Home Pros.
After a long week of work, the last thing that you want to have to worry about is your pool. Thankfully, with professional pool maintenance from Payan Pool Service, you'll know that your pool is always ready for you. Today, I'm here with Javier Payan. Thanks for joining me.
Thanks for having me, Jordan.
What is it that we need to know when it comes to price versus value for pool maintenance?
Good question. So nobody, including myself, likes to pay more for anything that they buy.
Absolutely never.
And in the state of California, there's a really a big cost to running a business. You know, having licenses, trained employees, insurances, and things of that nature. And when we are competing with a company that's like Chuck in the truck, there really is no comparison. You know, we just can't compete with that type of company. Now, if you want a quality company, then we're your company.
Absolutely, because those things that you mentioned, you know, top quality trained employees, licensing, insurance, those are all qualities and features that I want when a company's coming to my home.
Yeah, and what a lot of people don't realize is our service technicians, they undergo a minimum of 40 hours of training each and every year to keep them up to date and abreast of things that are coming up.
That 40 hours is a lot.
Yeah, it is.
So what other values go into that? Because it's trained technicians, but it's also reliability and quality of service.
Sure, and so with our service technicians, they're like clockwork. That's exactly, we take pride in that reliability. But should something go wrong, we also have a repair team with over 140 years of combined experience that can come out and take care of just whatever type of problem you've got.
And that's all in-house. So those teams are sharing knowledge about your pool, and it's you know that your pool's getting the best quality care.
Yeah, absolutely. And in addition to that, when we install equipment, we're also a warranty service center for all the brands of equipment we install. So if we install a new piece of equipment, and typically the warranties are 1 to 3 years, and if product fails within that time, we come out and the manufacturer pays us to repair the whatever we're repairing, and they pay us for our time.
Wow, so your pool is really in great hands when you go with Payan. Quickly brag to me, you are also the president of the local chapter here.
Yeah, so there's a national organization called a Pool and Hot Tub Alliance, and I'm currently the San Diego County chapter president.
And you've been in business over 30 years, so much experience going on. Payan, if you have pool service, it is a value that you are going to get. With regular pool service from Payan Pools, you will never have to worry about your pool again, especially if something goes wrong, it can get corrected in-house with Payan Pools. Call them today at 619-202-1153 or find them on ApprovedHomePros.com.